What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony with the Wrenched Out Garage. Thank you for tuning in, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's dive into it because we got a lot of things we're going to be covering in today's video. But first, let's talk about our 6th gen and the Iroc, because that's going to be what we're talking about today. We're also going to be diving into Magg Performance as well. But first, let's start off with our 6th gen Camaro. So one of the big things, if you guys have been following the channel for any period of time, you guys know that we ordered the Iroc Z hood. We never got it. I personally think that the Iroc hood is one of the best design hoods for the 6th gen Camaro. So we reached out to Magg Performance, worked with them, and I bought another hood. We got it really quick. I can't say enough about how great customer service and how responsive Magg Performance was. We'll have a link to them down below. We got the hood, we got it on the car. I am gonna do a follow-up video on this on how to do adjustments, because if you order a hood of any kind, you need to do a fitment on your car prior to paint, just in case there is an issue with the actual hood. So we're gonna dive into that in a later video, but for now, let's take a look at this thing. Alright, so we got the hood on the car, absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk a little bit about Magg Performance. So Magg Performance is kind of the predecessor, or the guys that picked up that torch from 6LE Designs, and they have been delivering. Not only did I get my parts, I've seen a lot of other guys posting pictures and videos of them getting their parts as well, which was essentially the downfall for 6LE Designs. These guys have fantastic designs. That was never in question, but Magg Performance is running with it. In addition to that, we've been talking to them at SEMA 2018, and man, did they go all out with putting some of their cars on display. So let's take a look at what Magg Performance has at this year's SEMA. All right, guys, so as you can see, they held back to no degree. And in fact, they also have the Iroc Wars, they have Iroc Motorsports, and a lot of other things. We'll be going into details in later videos. Now, I personally think that their lineup of cars is phenomenal. They showed up in full force repping the Iroc line, and it still lives on. That was a concern of mine, even outside of the discretionary and the issues that I had with 6LE Designs, because regardless of that bad situation, the car itself and the designs behind it, in my opinion, are bar none, stand above the rest. They did a fantastic job. It wasn't just about motor, it was about the exterior and what they did, and Magg Performance showcased it very well at this year's SEMA. In addition to that, I've spoken with Magg Performance. We'll have some follow-up videos going into details on the transition. They also have the Zl1 Hood coming out, and they've got a lot of other really cool parts to include those wheels that I showed you guys from their stand there at SEMA. Super excited for that. Hopefully I'll get a set of the wheels. I think they are one of the best looking wheels available for the car as well. Those guys are really top notch all the way around. So hopefully we will see them continue to grow. I'm excited to see what some of their new designs are going into the future, and I hope you guys are as well. We, again, will be doing a fitment on the hood. We'll show you guys how to properly fit your hood on and give you some tips and tricks in case you're ordering them. Now, as I said, I bought the hood from Magg Performance. It got to me in a blazing record speed. I live in Alaska. Generally, stuff takes weeks to get here. In their case, it took about 7 to 10 days. I was actually out of the garage doing work, and it got here, ordered it. It got here before I got home, which is phenomenal. It also looks fantastic. It'll look even better once I get it painted, but it snowed really bad here in Alaska, so there is delays in getting it painted. However, we have that stuff coming out, and you guys will be able to see the transition from the primered to the paint and so much more. We do got a lot of other install videos coming to the Wrenched Out Garage, so again, we invite you guys to hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video. That's nice to see also. And of course, we've got stuff for the V-Rod coming out. We've got some stuff for the truck, and we've got so much more here at the garage. One quick thing I do want to share with you guys is we are going to be making some changes to the channel. As I've been doing this for a while now, I kind of put myself in a box as far as do garage talk, do install videos. So some cool new changes coming here pretty darn quick is we're going to start doing a news episode every Monday, or we're going to try to, and that's where we're going to showcase top vendors that we're working with or that we think their products are up to snuff with today's standards. We're also going to be talking about new cars, trucks, motorcycles, so that's going to be coming out here relatively soon on our Monday drop. Wednesdays will be our installs if we have them, and then of course we will continue to have garage talk as much as we can. Anyways, that's the news and kind of the update. We wanted to share our Iroc hood. Again, it looks killer on the car. We're super excited to see this guy get into paint, and we hope you guys are too, because if you guys have been following us for any amount of time, this build doesn't stop here. We got a lot of other really cool things planned for it. So if you guys are out riding or driving, make sure to do it safely, and make sure to check out Magg Performance. I got the links to all of their social media and their website down below if you're interested in these parts. Check them out, talk to them. They're doing a great job, and I want to make sure and end this on a high note. I want to see Magg Performance run with the torch, be extremely successful, and we'll see you guys in the next video.